Hi, my name is Maria, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic before you actually buy this product. And also, I have two really important alerts to preserve your health. So pay close attention to what I have to tell you today. So the first thing is, if you're actually thinking on buying Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, make sure you buy it from the official website so you don't get scammed. Unfortunately, there are many people selling the product that is not original and that can harm your health. And to help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Also, be careful with people that are saying they used the product when they actually didn't use. Here on YouTube, many people are saying they used Okinawa. They are making thumbnails that are not realistic. So be careful again with that, because you can actually get scammed by a product that is not original, harm your health, and get very frustrated. Okay, so what is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic after all, and does it actually help you lose fat and lose weight? So Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a weight loss and digestion supplement that uses a potent dose of plant-based herbal extracts, probiotics, polyphenols, vitamins, and minerals to target belly fat. And actually, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic powder says its natural ingredients contains 3 billion CFU and is formulated to promote healthy weight management and digestion while boosting your energy and your vitality. Okay, so the creator of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, his name is Mike Banner. He was inspired by the Japanese island of Okinawa. So Mike Banner visited Okinawa Island, and he said that he discovered a nutrient-dense, powerful, fat-demolishing drink that led to improved healthcare for him inside out. And then after he visited this island, he came back to the United States and he shared the formula with the world. And today, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is helping thousands of people to lose weight, lose fat in a natural and safe way. Okay, so actually the manufacturers are FDA and GMP approved, and many tests were made before the product was actually launched to the world. So you can take it, you won't have any side effects. It's actually very safe. But there is something you need to know about Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Each organism will react in a different and unique way. So that's what I told you. You need to be careful with false promises. So it's really important for you to know that most people become overweight when their C-reactive protein, also known as CRP, interferes with the normal function of mitochondria. And this switches off the hormone responsible for metabolic activity in the body. And that crucial hormone is called adiponectin. So when CRP interferes with adiponectin, it leads to an accumulation of fat throughout your body, and this triggers a chain reaction and feedback loop. So when you have more fat in your body, your CRP levels rise, and your rising CRP levels interfere with adiponectin, causing further weight gain. So with that in mind, what Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic will do is that it will halt the cycle of activating adiponectin, balancing CRP, and helping you consequently lose weight. And it's really important that you are realistic here about the treatment, okay? As I said before, there is no magical pill, no magical powder that will make you lose an exorbitant amount of weight and fat in a short period of time. It will take time, and also there are external factors that interfere. So people that exercise, people that eat healthier usually have a much better result. So I strongly recommend that you use Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, but you also try to have better habits, because that will make you lose fat and lose weight a lot faster. Also, for Okinawa Flat Belly to work, you need to do the right treatment. So you have to take it every day. Most people have results after 3 months. On the first month, you can actually see some results, but most people have better results from 3 to 6 months. And you have to take it every single day. If you don't take it every single day, you will get frustrated with your results. So how should you use Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? That's also very important for you to know. So you just take 1 scoop of the powder around 10 a.m. or around 1 hour after a light breakfast, okay? Keep that in mind. when using this product. So I really wanted to record this video to help you guys. Again, be careful with scam here on YouTube. Many people are trying to scam you and also trying to promise you things that are not real. I wanted to be realistic here in this video. Also, if you actually buy the product, keep in mind your guarantee and also do the right treatment, or else you won't see results. I hope I helped you. If you have any questions, any doubts, please leave a comment down below. I'll be really glad to help you.